Good morning, light travelers. It was a bit of a chilly one last night, but wait to see this view. Wrong zipper. Oh, look at that. A little bit of a chilly October morning here in the Laramie Mountains. None a little space heater can't fix, though. This is a nice view. We get some wildfire smoke, too, making the sun look a little worse for wear, but still gives it a pretty interesting aura. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, s'mores, I think. Yep. S'mores flavor. Could I roast him if I wanted to? I just saw you fly over here. Where'd you go? Hiding from me? A little bird just flew over here. Maybe he wanted to stop and see this view. We had ourselves a fitful morning of editing here at the campsite, but we've got some important business to take care of, so let's head down to Laramie and go handle that. So yesterday it was rather warm on the drive, and you know what happens. You know, sometimes, you know, when it's warm in the car, you know, sometimes you have stuff and it melts. But so my deodorant here, the tab right here, melted onto the deodorant last night or yesterday, and then last night it froze. So now it's stuck forever. Well, unless I can get it off, which I probably will, but that's pretty funny.
1.5 times through, we'll see if he gets through, you know, speed, see if he gets through 18. You hope that he does, but I'm not sure. Yeah, there is quite a way.
It's kind of cool how autumn works, or like the, you know, the leaves falling on the trees, because, you know, up where I was at in South Dakota, you still got quite a bit of leaves on the trees, and that's a lot more north than it is here. But, you know, here it's about 9,000 feet in elevation. Almost all the leaves are gone on the aspens and whatever other trees that are losing their leaves up here. So it's just crazy how that works. We're coming into Laramie right now, which is not too far from where we were camped at, and that was kind of the plan because of the important business that I got to take care of. But for whatever reason, I want to call this town Laramie. I don't know why, I just have the urge to, so pardon me, Laramie! I think this is what we want right here to get us downtown. Downtown 287. Hey, I know you. Laramie sits at an elevation of 7,200 feet above sea level and is Wyoming's fourth largest city with a population of just over 31,000. It was founded in 1868, where the Union Pacific Railroad was to cross the Laramie River. Although it initially experienced a population boom with the arrival of the railroad, once the workers left, so did much of the business, and the town shrank in size. Laramie gained international attention in 1870 when, for the first time, 6 women were selected to serve on a formal jury under the 1869 Women's Suffrage Act in the Wyoming Territory. The economy shifted from railroads to a more sustainable one based on agriculture, and the town soon began to grow again. Laramie is a big hub for education in Wyoming, home to the University of Wyoming, WyoTech, and a branch of Laramie County Community College. All right, important business has been handled. Let's go back to camp, make some lunch, and find some trails, because we got 10,000 steps to get. The mountains in view in this clip are the Laramie Mountains, a range of low elevation, compared to the Rockies, their parent range, peaks that extend from northern Colorado to near Casper, Wyoming. Home to places such as Pole Mountain and the Happy Jack Cross Country Ski Trail, these mountains are definitely worth a visit if you're in the area. Well, we're back here camping. Remember our view? Well, nature of the beast, I guess. Let's get some lunch cooking. No! Hello and welcome back to the Roadside Cooking Show, because we are still by a road. Today for lunch, we're cooking up a staple mini college dorm room in the college experience. Instant lunch. But what should I know about college? Fun fact, I never went to college. Let's start cooking. I should probably lock in the canister before I turn on the gas. Bingo! Gotta boil up some water first. I hope that's enough. I guess we'll find out either way. Now, the next step is that after you realize that cooking in the best lighting for filming is gonna get a lot of wind under your stove, you use your body as a wind guard. The jury's still out if this helps or not, but it's worth a shot. The next step is that you realize that the box makes a great wind guard. After all that nonsense, your water is boiling. So it's time to pour it in and hope that you don't get any on your fingers and burn yourself. I hope this is enough. The wind blew the tripod. Sorry for the bad angle. Just like that, and after 3 minutes and some stirring, you're done. Bon appetit. Congratulations, you're an honorary college student. Let's do a little bit of exploring around here, shall we? I think the area that I'm going to try and explore is going to be over here in this area. Exploration / scouting for another campsite, because while I do love the campsite that I have and it's easy to get to and in and out of, something tells me that that interstate noise is going to bug me, so... And something that tells me that is already telling me that it's bugging me, so let's go see if we can find another. So this right here is something that you never want to see in your house. Look at them all. Wow. There's so many of them in such a small area. Wild. No luck on a campsite yet, but that's a serious root ball. Wonder if that tree made any noise when it fell. Wow. Now that's pretty cool with the fall trees out there. It's pretty neat. All this playoff baseball watch just got me a little inspired. How about a high altitude home run derby? One for Tyson. Batista with a backflip. I'm just gonna say for the record that I still got it. This is what Wyomingites like to call target practice. It's weird to me how some of them have their leaves and some of them don't. Don't know what the case is, but something I'll probably look into. I'm guessing these are from you guys. I have been blessed with some ridiculously beautiful sunsets so far on this adventure. It's been great.
Outside, 1-on-1 to Melendez. He bats eighth. Melendez, Garcia, Frazier here.